Welcome to another episode of Async File. In this video, we are going to take a look at a code to check whether a given number is a strong number or not. So, what is a strong number? A strong number is a number which is equal to the sum of the factorial of its individual digits. So, let's take a look at the code. We will be writing this in C. So, first thing, we need to include the standard input and output header file and the standard boolean header file. We're going to write the main function with a return type of 0. We're going to define the two functions that would be useful for this program. One is a factorial and one is a checker function, is if the number is a strong number or not. We're going to use the factorial function and we're going to use a technique of recursion to find the factorial of a number. So if the number is double equals to 0, we're going to return 1, and this is going to be our base case. And we want to return the number multiplied the factorial of number minus 1. Let's write the isStrong function. We're going to define two variables, strong and the copy number. The strong will calculate the resultant value and the copy will store a copy of the original number. So we're going to take out the last digit and put that number and pass that number into the factorial function call and add that number to the strong number. Then we're going to get rid of the last digit. If the strong is double equals to the original number, we're going to return true. Else, we're going to return false. Now let's take the user and let's take a number from the user. We're going to printf enter the number. We're going to scanf %d, comma, ampersand number. If isStrong of number returns true, we're going to print out %d is a strong number. We're going to use return 0 to terminate the code there. Else, we're going to print out %d is not a strong number, comma number. Let's test out the code. Let's compile the program. Let's run the program. 145, yes, it's a strong number. 40,585 is also a strong number. And 150 is not a strong number. And 45,653 is not a strong number. So thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And stay tuned for more such content. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.